today I'm going to guide you that how we can use the energy of these magnificent plants and with law of attraction can attract a lot of prosperity and wealth in our lives. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cosmic Connect. Today we are going to see this unique video where we are going to manifest abundance, money through the beauty and the charm of the orchids. Okay, so if you are interested in such spiritual practices, if you are interested in healing, if you are interested in manifestation and attracting a lot of abundance in your life, then do subscribe this channel and do share this video with others so that it can help you as well as others to manifest a lot of abundance in their lives. Orchids are known for their beauty and charm, and they hold a symbolic meaning in many cultures. So many people say that it is a symbol of money and attraction in many cultures. They are known as the symbol of prosperity, wealth and good fortune. Orchids are known for their elegance and their ability to thrive in diverse environments. You can attract a lot of money and abundance with this technique, and it is really very simple, effective and can be done with the comfort of your home. Create a sacred space. Find a quiet, peaceful corner in your home where you feel most at ease. Clear the area of any clutter and place your orchid in the center of your space. This is your manifestation altar, where you will focus your energy and intentions. Step 1 is done. Now I'm going to step 2. Step 2, connect with the energy of the orchid. Spend a few moments simply gazing at the flower. Admire its beauty and feel its energy filling the whole room slowly and slowly. Orchids represent the energy of growth and transformation, and just by being in their presence, you begin to align yourself with that energy. Step 3. Set your intention. Hold a quiet, focused thought of what you desire. Whether it is financial prosperity, new opportunities, or abundance in all forms. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine the energy of orchid flowing into your being, filling you with confidence and clarity. As you breathe, visualize your intention coming to life. Money flowing to you effortlessly. Opportunities knocking at your door. Step 4. Visualize your abundance. As you meditate with the orchid, place yourself living a life of abundance. See the wealth, the freedom, the ease. Slowly and slowly, you can imagine checking your bank account and seeing the numbers grow. Feeling secure and grateful for the flow of resources that surround you. This is a powerful act of alignment. See, slowly the numbers are growing and you are feeling grateful, you are feeling happy, you are feeling blessed, you are loving the energy of prosperity and money coming to you abundantly. Step 5. Express gratitude. The final step is to express your gratitude. Thank the orchid for its energy and thank the universe for the abundance already on its way to you. Gratitude always amplifies your manifestation power and sets the intention into motion. By aligning your energy with that of the orchid, you tap into its potent symbolism of growth and abundance. Remember, universe responds to your vibrations, so when you focus on positive thoughts, intentions, you attract more of what you want in your life. I hope this practice helps you bring more prosperity into your life. Keep your orchids close, nurture them, and allow them to serve as a constant reminder that growth and abundance are within your reach. Stay focused, stay grateful, and watch the magic unfold. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who could use a little more abundance in their life. Remember, manifestation always starts with you. Choose the right orchid. Different colors of orchids have various symbolic meanings. For money manifestation, consider choosing purple orchids, symbolize wealth, luxury, and abundance. Gold or yellow orchids, these are often associated with prosperity and success. Moth orchid is popular in Feng Shui practices for its beauty and symbolism of harmony and wealth. In Feng Shui, the southeast corner of your home or office is the wealth and prosperity area, so placing an orchid here can help attract financial success. If you are aiming for career advancement, place the orchid in the north, the career area, or near your workspace. Care for your orchid with gratitude. Nurturing the orchid with care can serve as a reminder to actively work toward your financial goals, showing gratitude for the abundance you already have. Regularly watering and ensuring its health can symbolically mirror your own effort towards manifesting wealth. As we are visualizing large numbers of money coming in our account, we can just feel the gratitude, the money blessings coming to us in abundant and large quantities, and can say these affirmations along with this feeling. I attract wealth and abundance effortlessly. My financial situation is improving every day. I am open to receiving prosperity in all forms. Money is coming to me easily, more than my requirement. You can also use crystals with orchid. You can pair your orchid with crystals that support abundance and wealth, such as citrine, pyrite, or aventurine. Place them near the orchid or even in the soil if you feel comfortable doing so. By integrating orchids into your manifestation practice, you are combining natural beauty, symbolic meaning, and conscious intention, which can serve as a powerful reminder and a powerful tool in attracting prosperity If into you like your this lives. video, then do show some love for this video as well as share with your loved ones, so that if you really share a lot of abundance with others as well, you are going to attract a lot of money and prosperity in your lives too. Thank you so much everyone. Gratitude always.